Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I am studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. Today, I am here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 20th July 2021. The two topics that were given in our editorial page are health above faith and law for challenge. Today we'll discuss the first topic from our editorial page in our today's video. So before getting into our topic, let's have a small look on the second topic given, law for challenge. This is based on the political which is of Congress, means like Congress interest that was seen to be Punjab. Okay. Deciphering the political calculus of the Congress can be a tough task. The latest example is the appointment of Navjot Sidhu as the president of the Punjab Pradesh Congress Committee after mounting a relentless public attack against CM Amarinder Singh and publicly praising other parties. Mr. Sidhu is now tasked with leading the Congress. He spent 13 years in the BJP, 5 in the Congress, while flirting with the idea of joining the AAP in between. He joined the Congress ahead of the 2017 Assembly election, which the party won mostly on account of Mr. Singh's skills. Okay, means the Navjot Singh Sidhu. Okay, means he was appointed as a Punjab Congress president. Okay, and he was now ahead to take the parties or MPs ahead decisions. Okay, so this is one example that we cannot go through a political congress where it is a tough task. Okay, and when we are like in Punjab, there were many Congress parties, or there were many political ships like commands or whatever democratics. So the the chief minister Captain Amarinder Singh, these were two chief ministers, okay, of that states, where they were praising the two parties. And he also spent 13 years in the BJP and 5 years in the Congress, while he made an idea of joining the AAP between these two parties. Okay, and he also joined the Congress in 2017 Assembly election, where the party has won mostly Mr. Singh's skills. Okay, and also Mr. Singh, he has he visits to Pakistan, and he has booked a ticket for his wife in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. Okay, so he also had a small support, means he will work towards in giving the power back to the people. Okay, so this is said by Navjot Sidhu. Well, let's get into our today's topic that we are going to discuss, health above faith. This is on the cancellation, means to cancel on the Kanwar Yatra. What is Kanwar Yatra? Let's see in our topic. SC lays down salutary principle that right to life must override religious sentiments. Okay, see. Oh well, I'm so sorry, we'll discuss the second topic as well. Okay. So Mr. Sidhu got a cabinet berth but fell out with the CM soon enough. Mr. Singh opposed Mr. Sidhu's visits to Pakistan and a ticket for his wife in the 2019 Lok Sabha election. The Congress won 8 of the 13 Lok Sabha seats from Punjab. Punjab constitutes 15% of the Congress total Lok Sabha strength of 52. Mr. Sidhu had little support among MPs, MLAs or party workers until the Gandhis, Sonia, Rahul and Priyanka tilted the scales in his favor. Okay, see, before I said right, His wife has also got the ticket in the year of 2019 Lok Sabha elections. Yes, so this Congress has won 8 of the 13 Lok Sabha seats from the Punjab, and also Punjab constitutes a 15% of this Congress party total Lok Sabha strength, which is of 52. So Mr. Sidhu, he has only a very little support among the MPs, MLAs and the parties who has worked until Gandhi's, like Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, okay, when before they came. So, and these also, well, they turned into their favor, not to others. Okay, they changed everything. On the one hand, there is strong evidence of his opportunism, lack of maturity, unprincipled greed for power that includes claiming a Lok Sabha seat for his wife within 2 years of defecting to the Congress, and inability to work as part of a team. On the other hand, he has absolutely no track record of any political activism, public service, or being ideologically aligned to the Congress in any manner. Okay, see, means when, okay, one thing is, we know that before, until this Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi came, Mr. Sidhu, he was in the power, right? So coming to the other hand, they had a strong evidence for to lack of the maturity and to take the power, which includes the Lok Sabha seats, for Sidhu's wife for 2 years on defecting to the Congress, and also for the work as a part of the team. Also, on coming to the one more hand, means other side, he has no track records, like coming political partnership, political leadership, means there will be more political activisms, but there was no track record on him, and like public service or even being like ideologically in the Congress manner, he has nothing. Opportunists without any convictions might be used for particular roles in a party strategy, but handing over the command to such a turncoat shows the complete bankruptcy of the Congress and an insult to those who fight the long battle. The misplaced assertion of authority by the Gandhis in riding roughshod over the CM and MPs is a repeat of the old mistakes that pushed regional satraps out of its fold. Mamata Banerjee, Himanta Biswa Sharma and Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy are outstanding political minds who command power in their respective states as CMs of West Bengal, Assam and Andhra Pradesh. They left suffocated in the Darbar politics of the Congress, in which Mr. Sidhu has flourished. See, means while playing a key role, the demand that was taken in the bankrupting of this Congress has took a fought between a long battle, like a war, okay, and it misplaced the authorities of the Gandhis in the places of the CMs and MPs, and which repeats the many mistakes, like old mistakes that have went to the regional wide. So here some people, means some CMs, they go on a political minds where or who command the powers in their states, like in West Bengal Mamata Banerjee, in Assam Himanta Biswa Sharma, and Andhra Pradesh as our state, there Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. So here, like these people, like these CMs, they go on their political minds and a strategy who command the powers, okay. They felt, okay, so by leaving Mr. Sidhu, as leaving them like in the Darbar politics of their Congress, they felt some more suffocating feeling, okay. Strong regional leaders deliver results, but also behave in an assertive and even authoritarian manner, as it appears to be the case with Mr. Singh, but then humiliating them in no way to rein them in. Now that the deed has been done, Perhaps the Gandhis will explain to the party power workers what their rationale is and what they expect Mr. Sidhu to deliver. In the absence of a convincing explanation, the only message is that the High Command would stoop low to promote any court gesture to undercut a leader who builds any independent standing. If Mr. Sidhu is the future of the Congress, that future appears bleak at this point. Okay, well, this is our today's topic. Thank you.